Today, I'll show you how to cancel your Klaviyo subscription in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to switch to a different service or just need a break, it's important to know how to properly cancel your subscription to avoid any unnecessary charges. Let's get started. First, you want to navigate to the Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile name. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu where you'll find several options. From this menu, you'll want to select Billing. This is your gateway to managing all your subscription details, so it's crucial to know how to access this area. Once you're on the Billing Overview page, you'll notice a button labeled Cancel Plan at the top. Click on this button to initiate the cancellation process. It's positioned prominently to make it easy for you to find, so you shouldn't have any trouble locating it. Clicking this button is the first active step towards cancelling your subscription, so make sure you're ready to proceed before you do so. Next, you'll be asked to choose your target. At this stage, you have a couple of options. Klaviyo allows you to be selective about what you cancel. If you're only interested in removing specific components of your plan, you can do so here. This flexibility can be particularly useful if you're looking to downgrade rather than cancel completely. However, if you're certain that you want to cancel everything, you can simply check the Cancel All Plans option. This will ensure that all active components and subscriptions under your account are terminated. Now, with these steps in mind, it's a good time to consider any potential consequences of cancelling. For instance, you may lose access to certain features or data stored within the platform. Always make sure to back up any important information you might need later. Additionally, if you're thinking about returning to Klaviyo in the future, check their policy on data retention to understand what might be saved for you to use later. Remember, cancelling your subscription doesn't have to be the end of your relationship with Klaviyo. They offer a range of plans and features that might fit your needs better down the line, so don't hesitate to explore their options if your circumstances change. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can confidently cancel your Klaviyo subscription whenever necessary. If you have any questions or run into any issues during the process, Klaviyo's customer support is always there to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to hit the like button if you found this video useful, and subscribe for more quick guides like this one. Have a great day.